Hello my dear students, today we are starting the second session of the quiz time. What is the largest planet in the solar system? It's Jupiter. Who is credited with inventing the first practical telephone? It's Alexander Graham Bell. Who wrote the famous play Hamlet? William Shakespeare. In what year did the First World War ended? It's 1918. Who painted the Mona Lisa? The answer is Leonardo da Vinci. What is the chemical symbol for hydrogen? It's H. What is the currency used in Japan? It's yen. Which of the following countries is not a member of European Union? It's Switzerland. What is the capital of Australia? It's Canberra. What is the highest mountain in the solar system? It's Olympus Mons. Who won the first Nobel Prize in physics? It's Wilhelm Röntgen. Who was the first president of the United States? George Washington. Who was the first man to walk on the moon? It's Neil Armstrong. Who invented the steam engine? It's James Watt. What is the capital of Italy? It's Rome. What is the largest ocean in the world? Pacific Ocean. What is the largest continent in the world? Asia. What animal is it? It's cheetah. What is the largest desert in the world? Sahara Desert. Who wrote the play Romeo and Juliet? It's William Shakespeare. Which planet in our solar system is known as the red planet? It's Mars. What is the largest mammal in the world? It's blue whale. The capital of which country is Reykjavik? It's Iceland. When is Halloween celebrated? 31st October. What is the name of this fruit? Durian. How many teeth does an adult human have? 32. How many zeros are there in 1 million? It's answer 6. Where was the hottest temperature ever recorded? United States. Where is the smallest bone in the human body located? Ear. If we say that someone lived in 1056, he was living in a century? 11. What killed the dinosaurs? It's asteroid impact. What city is Hollywood in? It's Los Angeles. Which country has the largest coastline in the world? It's Canada. Thanks for watching.